Your Forex gurus might not give you or show you the way, assuming they had, which they do not. I welcome you to the home of enlightenment, Professor Internet YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how to fish by showing you a simple but effective Forex trading strategy with about 90 to 95% win rate. That works on all time frame. I give you the guarantee that it works on all time frame. Make sure to stay around to the end so that you get a full insight. Let's move on to the video. So the strategy that I'm going to show you today is fully price action. So here we have is Euro USD charts on the 1 hour time frame. So what you're going to be doing is very simple, guys. Very simple. This does not require you to have a master's or PhD in rocket science or whatever. Just anyone can do it. Grandpa, grandma, they can do it. So what you'll be doing is that you're going to identify a low. Okay. We are going to identify a low. We are going to identify a low. And then when we identify the low, what we will be anticipating for is that we are going to wait for the market to trade below it. Look at what happened here. This is the low. Okay, we mark this low, and now the market traded below it. Okay, so this is a low, and the market has traded below it. They came to pick liquidity that is resting below the low. That is a sell side liquidity. Okay, that is sell side liquidity. They came and then picked it. So they have taken the low, and now boom, they went up, right? So look, assuming that you waited for this candlestick to close and then you entered on this candlestick, you could have caught some pips all the way up here, right? And the one thing too is that in that low, you anticipating for that low, and then assuming after the market trading below the low, you take the liquidity, they leave a gap in terms of their movement. Then that is a pump. So look, this is the low, traded below the low, and then they moved up. So if you had entered here, you would have gotten the right up here. So if there is a gap here, you wait for the market trading to the gap and then you enter here too, and then look, ooh, all the way up there, all the way up there. From here, all the way to this place. How many pips is that? Many pips. So there are two scenarios. It's either when they come and then clear the low or the high, they're not going to leave any gap up here. So you just wait for the candlestick that came and took the low or the high to close, and then you then decide to enter with a new candlestick. Okay, so this thing too works for all time frames. It works for all time frames, guys. So it is not that it works for only one time frame or no, it works for all time frames. Same thing here. This is a high, right? So in this high, we have buy side liquidity that is resting above it. So the market came here, took it, boom. And now look at what happened. They went down. So same thing here. This is the upside. This is a candlestick that came and then took the liquidity. So you wait for this candlestick to close and then you enter at the next candlestick and then look what happened. Boom. They came here. So if you are entered here, you would have made a bit of money here. Okay, so as seen here, this gap that is here, called the fair value gap, we have same thing here. We have same thing here, guys. We have same thing here. We have same thing here. See, same thing here. So they came and then they traded into it again, right? And they just, went down all the way from here to this place too. So if you can see the trend, how the trend is going, and as we see in the first business, the trend is your friend. This is a simple but effective strategy that your first guru I'm going to tell you. But for the internet, for the mission of enlightenment at heart, I'm going to give it out to you free. It's about 90 to 95% win rates. Yeah, 90 to 95% win rate. So you can replicate this strategy for different currency pairs, and I bet you it all works like magic. It all works the same. So before we continue with one last example or two examples, let's check the price of some bit of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And in doing so, if you think and feel my videos expose you to new stuff or has broadened your knowledge on how you perceive things financially, then I humbly ask you to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. In doing so, strengthens the mission of enlightenment by Professor Internet. So BTC is $41,000, Ethereum $2,000, BNB 384, USDC coin 0.099. So let's do one last example, and then the strategy is now yours, guys. So here, okay, this place, you just have to have the patience to wait for what I've shown you to happen in the market, and then just execute. There's the high, right? So the market came all the way up here, boom, took it, buy some liquidity, and then look what happened. They went down, okay, and then you could see that it's happening over and over and over and over and over again. So let's even look at here. Here we have some lows here, right? Good. So the market came down low here too, took the source of liquidity, and then boom, up. And look, the gap that I was talking about, we have a gap here, right? We have a gap here. And the market came and filled the gap, and then right now it's moving up. This is a live feed, okay? This is a live feed. So you could see that the market is going up, and then where is it going? The market is going to target for this high, okay? That is the next target for the market, going to target this high. So those who check out their charts, they can see that they will be reaching for this high. So it happens each and every day. It won't stop. As long as the forex market continues running, it's never going to stop. So take advantage. I'm giving you this enlightenment for free, charge. Show support by subscribing once again. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you again in another video.